Hi, my name is Sanjit and I go to Seminole High School. Today, I'm going to be demonstrating my AI Spy app, a machine vision version of the popular I Spy game that many people have likely played. My purpose in making AI Spy was to create a demonstration of the power of object detection models into a game that is both fun and educational. I think I really achieved my goal with this app because you can clearly see the magic of machine vision while also enjoying seeing it. I believe the target audience at its core are the people who want to learn more about machine vision. On a broader scale, though, this could be children who want to learn how computers could spin up a familiar game. And for people in general, it's always important to be educated and aware of all the new technologies that exist, especially when the world is in an AI frenzy. My app is written using the Python programming language and uses OpenCV to conduct image processing. For the inference results, I decided to use the YOLO object detection models trained on the COCO dataset, which is able to detect 80 different objects. So before I show how exactly the app works, here's a couple of examples of what it can do. In this example, we're asked to find a remote, and once it's found, it draws a bounding box outside the image and tells the user that they found the object. In this example, we do the same thing, except we're locating a book. So to better explain my algorithm, I created a UML diagram to show step-by-step what my game's doing. So we start with choosing our target object, which is basically a random selection of the 29 objects that the game is capable of choosing from. After that, we take a picture using the OpenCV pipeline, and then we crop it and rotate it to make sure it's in the right dimensions to use for our program. After that, we put it into our YOLO, you only live once object detection model. For this game, I'm using the Nano version, which is the smallest and the fastest. And then that model can return the confidence value of the image. So if we're really confident about it, which is over 50%, we continue. But if it's not, then we go back and continue with taking a picture until we get a confidence over 50%. Next, we list the item or display the bounding box of the item depending on what the user chose. Then after that, we check if the detected object is actually the same as the target object. If not, we once again go back to image capture, and if it is, we display the windscreen. And after all of that, we end up just going back to choosing another object and repeating the process. So here are a couple more examples of what my app can do. Here we're tasked with finding a keyboard, and once again we find it and we display the windscreen. Here we're asked to find a cup, and here we're asked to find a bigger object, which is a refrigerator. That works fine. So yeah, that's about it for my demonstration of the AI Spy app. I personally believe that this game is novel in its idea and is a great educational tool to show how interesting machine vision can be, and I hope you do too. Thank you for your time.